In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Spotify playlist to Notion. Whether you're looking to integrate some tunes into your daily workflow, or just want to share your favorite playlist with your team or friends, this simple guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, you'll want to open the Spotify application on your device. Navigate to the playlist you wish to embed. This is an essential step, as we'll be using this playlist's unique details to create the embed link. Once you've found your playlist, look for the three dots icon. This icon is your gateway to a multitude of options related to your playlist. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll want to select the Share option. This choice brings us one step closer to obtaining the link we need to integrate Spotify with Notion. After you click on Share, you'll see another selection titled Embed Playlist. Choosing this option will generate the link we'll use later on. A dedicated embed link is vital because it ensures the playlist is interactive and accessible directly from Notion. Once you have this embed link, simply click Copy. Don't worry, we'll now move our attention over to Notion. Head over to your Notion page. It can be any page you wish to enhance with a musical touch. With your desired page open, you'll need to create an embed block. To do this, you'll type Embed and press Enter. This intuitive command prompts Notion to set up the necessary input field for embedding content. Now it's time to paste. Click into the input field that appears as a result of the embed block creation. Here you'll paste the Spotify embed link you copied earlier. After pasting, look to the bottom of the input field, and you should see an Embed Link button. Click this to finalize the embedding process. Once you've embedded the link, your Spotify playlist should now be visibly integrated into your Notion page. This seamless interaction means you or anyone else with access to the page can listen or interact with the playlist directly from within Notion. Finally, if you want to make sure that the playlist fits perfectly with the rest of your content, hover over the embed and click and drag its corners to resize it however you see fit. Adjusting the size ensures it looks just the way you want. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded your Spotify playlist into Notion, turning your workspace or project hub into an even more dynamic and enjoyable environment. Feel free to explore other types of embeds to enrich your Notion pages even further. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding!